So good day, Miss Borges. I am Micah Embudo, and I chose Nestle Philippines Incorporated as one of my sample company since this company is already a certified ISO standard. So, Nestle Philippines Incorporated was established in the country in the year 1911. During 1960, partnership occurred with San Miguel Corporation, and it happened resulting in the formation of Nutritional Product Incorporated or NutriPro. And then in 1977, PhilipPro Incorporated and the NutriPro merged and changed its name to Nestle Philippines Incorporated. So the main activities here is food manufacturing, beverages, and other nutritional health solutions. And the registered office here is Laguna, Philippines. Their chairman and CEO is Kais Morzoki on last July 1, 2018. And then the Nestle products are here. They product produced and they are very familiar to us, and we even use their product daily. So we have here two environmental aspects: the environmentally friendly packaging and the water conservation. Here in Nestle developed in environmentally friendly packaging, the Nestle developed new packaging to shape a waste-free future. And in water conservation, the Nestle employs several measures to encourage water efficiency in operation. So, let's start with environmentally friendly packaging. So, last September 2016, September 26, 2017 rather, Sunstar reported environment group names three big pollutant firms. So according to the news, a national environmental group named three big companies that have largely contributed to the country's water pollution, violating the Philippine Clean Water Act of 2004. Then, nainahitabo nga brand auditing, which is they are collected all the plastic materials that was made by the participating environmental groups during the last day of the cleanup. So, Lucero, which is the head of the environmental group, said nga upon viewing the results of brand auditing and nahitabo, the result is two multinational companies, the Nestle and Unilever, and also the Indonesian manufacturing company which is the Copico, were among the top three brands that accumulated most of the plastic waste in Manila Bay. So the Nestle responded to them and assured that they will changing the materials used in its product packaging, converting it into biodegradable materials or at least environmentally friendly packaging. So here, in their commitment, they want to improve the environmental performance of their packaging. And the Nestle, naman sila itawag nga NEMS, na instead of environment management system, ang ilang gitawag is NEMS, which is Nestle Environment Management System, and they focuses or they aligned the Nestle policy on environmental sustainability nga nag-focus sila into 5 areas, which can be read here in my presentation, the 5 areas nga ilang gini-focus. And to highlight, they used renewable materials, they used recovered packaging, and also they used recycled materials. Then their objectives with this environmentally friendly packaging by 2017, so since 2022 naman to, so karon, so I think nakuha nila, na-target na nila, na-accomplish nila. By 2017, they want to continue systematically analyze and optimize our packaging portfolio avoiding the use of at least 100,000 tons of packaging materials from 2015 to 2017. And here are some products na kuan na target na nila or na-accomplish na nila in obtaining the environmentally friendly packaging. First is the Nestle Smarties, this one. Sharing block, now available in a recyclable paper wrapper instead of plastic. So ilang ginahimo is paper wrapper na siya. Next one will be the Nestle announces industry's first baby food packaging designed for the future of recycling. Then, the Nespresso launches new capsules kanang sudlan na niya using 80% recycled aluminum. Then, last one will be the Chucky. So, I can still remember way back when I was elementary and in high school, I really loved drinking Chucky. Then, I think in the middle of my high school, di ba akong gigamit, maka-remember kung akong gigamit sa una is, the straw of the Chucky is plastic. But then, I think in the middle of my high school, it turns out to be, kuan na siya, paper straw, 100% recycled up until now. Mo ang gigamit. So, we can deny the fact nga lisod gud siya, no? If paper, kay mahilis mong gud siya nya, maguba ba, magkisi-kisi. Unlike sa plastic. But, if you're going to visualize our earth right now, di ba? We need to be we need to love our Mother Earth. We need to be very conscious sa ato ang mga gipanghimo, especially in relate to the environment. So that is why they come up to the Chucky paper straw. So the next issues, the Nestle focuses water efficiency. Nestle has been in the Philippines for over 100 years. Then the success translated to increased production year on year since 2002. But even with the increase in production nila, the Nestle sees to it or assure it nga it is still able to conserve natural water resources. Nga no, because water is vital resource in the business. Their products are consumed with water. Yes, they use water to produce their products. The raw materials that they purchase need water to survive, diba? So here are the 5 plans in the water conservation. Now, as we can see, they need to work to achieve water efficiency for their operations. They need to advocate effective water policies. They need to treat the water we discharge effectively. They engage with suppliers, especially sa mga agriculture, for the raw materials nga ginagamit for the product, which is very important. Then last will be they need to raise awareness on water conservation and improve access to water and sanitation across the operation. So their commitment is to work to achieve water efficiency and sustainability across their operations. So the Nestle Philippines Incorporated employs several measures to encourage water efficiency throughout its operation. So such as as I've researched, they collect and store rain for later use. Yeah, ilan na siya like they will do sanitation. Then reusing final rinsing water as an initial washing of materials, and then so for the next cleaning cycle, di ba? So ang kanang first nga, for example, magwash silang materials, kana magwash sila, then katong padung na waswas gani sa kanang materials for the operation, katong gigamit lang nga tubig for waswas, ila tong gamiton for the initial washing sa next nga material para dili sayang ang tubig. Then they also have sealing water, which used to prevent wastewater or dirt from reaching moving parts. Then they also use reverse osmosis. This reverse osmosis is discussed the same step nga gi-discuss ni Cheryl Baruro last discussion niya sa iyahang topic. Then we have also stem condensate water process and the zero waste water discharge, which is na kuan diri na kuan siya diri, na align diri sa ilahang plans treat the water discharge effectively. So Nestle believed that every employee and stakeholders can truly make a difference in conserving water. It is a never ending cycle to always look for opportunities across a value chain to conserve water. So that will be all my discussion about the Nestle Philippines. Thank you.